Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to download Windows 11 ISO file. So it's the file that you need to install Windows 11, and today we're going to see how to do it. So first thing is to go to Google, Windows 11 ISO file, and then go to the Microsoft.com link here, download Windows 11. Wait a little bit, and then go here on the download Windows 11 disk image. So this is a ISO file, and select your Windows 11 edition and click on download. After some time, you have to choose English United States or your language that you want, and press on confirm. And then press here, and your download will start in a matter of seconds. Please subscribe and like the video if you liked it.